we're going to be making ornaments.
But not just any old ornament.
No.
Jazzy ornaments.
They're gonna be, I wouldn't say jazzy is the word, but
cute.
Whatever. They'll be cute. They're gonna look like sweaters. Kind of. Or knitted. Maybe that's a better term.
Yeah.
Look like knitted.
Hazel making another Vlogmas debut.
She looks like it looks like you're choking.
I'm not. She just.
Hi,
Hazel. She's so cute.
Okay,
help us, Hazel.
Okay. So first thing you're gonna do, let's talk about all the things you need. First of all, you need some wax paper. You're also gonna need a baking sheet. Like any baking sheet, doesn't matter. You just need something to put the finished ornament into the oven. And then you need an assortment of polymer clay, whatever colors you want. And then you'll need some cookie cutters. Okay, whatever cookie cutter you want. And something pokey. You need to poke a hole in your ornament so you can hang it. And then this is a little roller, what do you call this? A rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
It's like a mini rolling pin for clay specifically. And we're using painter's tape because what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some wax paper.
I'm also learning along with you, as you'll discover with most of our DIYs. Savannah has already done it and I haven't. So I'm learning.
So we're gonna take the paper and tape it down to our working surface, okay? Try not to get any particles on the top part of it because you don't want to get like dirt in your what is it called? What are we making?
Ornament.
In your clay.
Also, you need the hangers, these things.
Oh yeah, just like a box of
that,
these. This is really torn.
Probably already has some.
Yeah, just these ornament hooks that you probably get every year. We do.
Do you see that Hazel's still in that lap?
The way that you tear the tape is so frustrating. I don't know if any of you have fake nails, but you can't do anything with them.
No, you can't.
They look pretty, but...
Santa Claus is coming to my house. We'll be fast forwarding through this, so don't say anything fun or clever.
Now you choose what colors you want to use for your clay.
The most decisive I've ever been about anything in my whole
yeah,
life.
she did that so fast. Open all your clay. Ah! No!
Oh, brother. Bye.
So, now what we're gonna do is work with one color at a time. And what you're gonna do, I think I'm gonna use all of this, probably use half of yours. And you have to work the clay. Before you can use it, you've just gotta work it together.
Work it.
Which means like, you just gotta squeeze it, roll it, squeeze it, warm it up a bit.
Oh, yeah.
In my hand, and the boys are lining.
So, how thin are we doing this?
Probably about this thin. Maybe a little thinner. So what you're gonna do is take your little tube and then fold it in half. Okay, then you're just gonna twist. Twist and twist and twist and twist until you have something like this, okay? You could make this as fat or skinny as you want.
Let's see.
Yep. And then you just put it down, kind of like push it down like this so that it like flattens and makes, yeah, just comes together and it stays twisted. So I'm just gonna put that off to the side while I do the same thing with all of my other clay.
Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy right here by the Christmas tree.
Okay, so once they're lined up, then you're going to just push it down together. You could use the roller to kind of just flatten it a little bit. Okay. And then you're gonna take your ornament.
Your cookie cutter.
Oh right, your cookie. You're gonna take your cookie cutter and line it up, and then we're just gonna push down. Okay. No. And then just take all this off. Okay, so I'm just taking the leftover, I didn't use all of this pink. Well, I used this, and then when I cut my cookie cutter out, there was a bunch of it left. So, taking that, I'm gonna roll it out.
I personally think this step is optional.
This step can be optional, if you want.
How thin does it need to be?
You know, as tall as this is, like I don't really have room to roll mine out, but it needs to be way thinner than this is.
I feel like we're reversing personality types right now because I don't care.
Well, I just don't like things to look cheap and crafty, you know? I want it to look like you could have bought it.
Bought this off Etsy. If you guys start an Etsy shop with these, let us know.
Oh Lord, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I made a really long thing. I'm gonna outline my ornament. We'll see how it goes. You really want this to be as even as possible, but it's really hard when it gets thinner to make it super even. Okay. The part where you're wrapping the skinnier part around the edge is actually kind of frustrating to get right, but I think it looks more finished with it on there. Oh, how cute. I wish it did a stocking. Okay, before you put it in the oven, very important, not after, before, you take something that has a pointy end and you're just gonna poke a hole at the top center of your ornament. And this is where you're gonna put the ornament hook.
As you can imagine, there are a million things that you could do. And different things that you could do with this idea. It'd be cute to do one of those, I've seen those things, cookie cutters that look like knitted beanies, and that would look like
That'd be cute,
actual
or like
sweaters.
a sweater, like an actual sweater cookie cutter. That would be really cute. Yeah, this set really doesn't have a lot in it. We've got like a star and a Christmas tree. Star would be cute, but this one's kind of small for what we just did. But yeah, I think it would be cute if you did even just like black with like 2 white stripes, or red with 2 white stripes, or.
Certainly doesn't have to be as colorful as we made it.
Yeah, it does not. Why are you picking yours up? I recommend not picking it up.
I want you guys to see because I like you.
Yeah, I pick it. Let me see. I don't know, man. That seems sketchy.
She doesn't like it.
So what I usually do is don't pick it up like she did. I mean, you can do that if you're feeling crazy, but the best thing to do is to just take your wax paper, like untape it and transfer it straight onto the baking sheet on the wax paper so you don't mess any of the form up. So now we're going to put our ornaments in the oven. You need to look at whatever clay you buy, you need to look at the directions because they all have different temperatures that you should use and different times. So we're going to be putting ours in at 275 for probably 30 minutes because they're really thick. They're like ½ an inch thick. Cute.
Hunchback of Notre Casey.
Okay.
You could could do this. This would be a good kids craft. We have children.
Yeah, it would be fun with kids, I guess.
I guess if you like kids.
But also totally acceptable as an adult.
Well, duh. We are adults.
Okay.
Whatever.
Yeah, I think you can get the glitter off later. So there's our little guys, and we're just gonna go. Casey's gonna look in the oven. Our ornaments are done. How cute are they?
Mine's cuter.
Is it focusing? Scoot back a little bit. Wow, mine is very bleached out. But so cute. It looks like a little sweater.
It really is.
So now what we're gonna do is add the ornament hooks, which you don't really need instruction for, but we're still gonna do it.
Yeah.
This would be better if you didn't have a green one, but we have green.
Where it just goes with the jazziness.
And let's go put these on the tree.
Let this mistletoe moment fuse together.
Like you were last time. Oh.
This is what I do. This is what you don't know, is that Savannah and I are
Can you not tell the story while you're hugging me?
Okay, so Savannah and I really don't touch each other ever. And like, I'm not a huggy person. Savannah does hugs more than I do, but I don't really enjoy them. My mom didn't hug me when I was growing up, so I have some issues. And we're not very emotional people. And so I really don't care for being hugged, but when I do it to annoy Savannah. And that's the motivation for most things I do.
Is to aggravate me. Well, anyway.
Are you an affectionate person? Do you like hugs? I feel like most people do.
Yeah, I think so. Because I wouldn't say, I feel like you like hugs.
I don't like hugs. I
feel
tolerate
like
hugs.
I feel like, okay.
Yeah.
I mean,
mostly I'm like,
you're not a hugger, but
Right.
I feel like if someone hugs you,
I'll do it because it's fine. I'm not gonna push you away, you know. I'm not gonna like, get
that
off
would be a
of me.
little excessive. So the next time you see Casey, hug her. Come back tomorrow.
Will be more
Because
fun.
there will be another video for Vlogmas, obviously. And don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to have you here into the new year. And on and beyond.
And always. Never leave us!
This is the end. Goodbye.
So